You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Imagine stepping into your backyard or even your balcony and being greeted by the gentle sway of your very own coconut tree, its lush green fronds catching the sunlight, instantly transforming your space into a tropical escape. It may sound like something only possible in exotic coastal regions, but here's the truth. Growing a coconut tree at home is absolutely achievable, even for beginners in the USA, if you understand the right approach from the very start. Growing a coconut tree is not just about planting a seed, it's about recreating a warm, sunny, and nurturing environment where this tropical beauty can thrive. And once you get it right, the experience is incredibly rewarding. Watching a coconut sprout grow and develop into a graceful palm is one of the most satisfying journeys in gardening. It all begins with selecting the right coconut. For planting, you need a fresh, mature coconut with its husk still intact. This is crucial because the husk protects the seed and supports the early stages of growth. A coconut that still has water inside is a good sign of viability. This simple choice determines whether your coconut tree journey starts successfully or not. Before planting, soaking the coconut in water for a couple of days can help speed up germination. This step softens the husk and prepares the seed for sprouting. After soaking, the coconut can be planted in a large pot or directly in the ground, depending on your climate. Planting is simple yet important. Place the coconut sideways in well-draining soil, leaving the top portion slightly exposed. This mimics how coconuts naturally germinate in coastal environments. The soil should be sandy and loose, allowing water to drain easily while still holding enough moisture to support growth. Light is the most critical factor for a coconut tree. These trees thrive in full sunlight and require at least 8 hours of direct sun daily. For USA gardeners, especially those in cooler regions, placing the plant near a south-facing window or using grow lights can make a significant difference. Without enough light, growth will slow, and the plant may struggle to survive. Temperature is equally important. Coconut trees love warmth and grow best in temperatures between 70° F and 95° VF. They do not tolerate frost, which means in many parts of the USA, they are best grown in containers that can be moved indoors during colder months. Maintaining a stable, warm environment is key to long-term success. Watering your coconut tree correctly is essential for healthy root development. The soil should remain consistently moist, but never waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause the plant to dry out. A balanced routine, watering when the top layer of soil feels slightly dry, helps maintain the perfect moisture level. Humidity plays a big role in mimicking the natural tropical environment. Coconut trees thrive in high humidity. If you're growing indoors, using a humidifier or occasionally misting the leaves can help recreate these conditions and keep the plant healthy. As your coconut tree begins to grow, you'll notice long, elegant leaves emerging from the top. This is a sign that your plant is thriving. At this stage, providing proper nutrition becomes important. A balanced fertilizer applied every few weeks during the growing season supports strong growth and vibrant foliage. Pruning is minimal for coconut trees. Removing dead or yellowing leaves helps maintain the plant's appearance and directs energy toward healthy growth. Unlike many other plants, coconut trees do not require heavy pruning, making them ideal for beginners. One of the most common challenges beginners face is slow growth. It's important to understand that coconut trees grow gradually, especially in non-tropical climates. Patience is key. With consistent care, your plant will continue to develop steadily over time. Pests such as spider mites or scale insects may occasionally appear, especially in indoor conditions. Regularly checking the leaves and cleaning them with a damp cloth or mild solution can prevent infestations and keep your coconut tree healthy. Another challenge is maintaining the right environment during winter. In colder regions of the USA, bringing your coconut tree indoors and placing it in a warm, bright spot is essential. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature changes, as these can stress the plant. Growing a coconut tree at home is more than just a gardening project. It's a lifestyle experience. It brings a sense of calm, a touch of the tropics, and a unique visual appeal to your space. Even if it never produces fruit in cooler climates, its beauty alone makes it worth the effort. For beginners, the key to success is consistency. Providing the right light, temperature, water, and care will ensure your coconut tree continues to grow and thrive. And as it does, it becomes a living reminder of what patience and dedication can create. So take that first step. Plant your coconut, give it sunlight and care, and watch as it transforms into a stunning tropical plant right in your home. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.